Did you know that you can make your loan-related payments with the click of a button from the comfort of your home? Hi, welcome to the TVS Credit Educational Series. I am Aman and today I'm going to explain how you can pay your EMIs or loan charges online. You can easily pay your TVS Credit EMIs or charges in 4 different ways, such as through the TVS Credit Saathi App, the TVS Credit website, our official WhatsApp account, and via digital payment apps such as GPay, Airtel Thanks and Paytm. Let's see now how you can pay via the TVS Credit Saathi app. First, download and install the TVS Credit Saathi app and log in with your registered mobile number. Tap the Pay button on the home page of the app. Tap on More against the loan for which you want to pay the EMI and tap on Payments. If your loan details are not shown, you can tap directly on the Payments button under the Pay via Agreement number, type your agreement number and click on Proceed to Pay. Enter the amount to be paid. You can now select from the different modes of payment available such as debit card, net banking, UPI and other payment apps. Finally, click Pay Now to complete the transaction. The second way to pay online is via the TVS Credit website. Let me show you how easy that is. First, open the TVS Credit website. Click on the Login tab and select Customer Login from the drop-down menu. Next, log into your account by entering your registered mobile number and completing the OTP validation process. Click on Make Payments tab. Then, select the loan agreement number from the drop-down menu. Next, enter your vehicle registration number or agreement number. Click on Generate OTP. Enter the OTP that is sent to your registered mobile number and click on Verify OTP. Once the OTP validation is complete, enter the payment amount and click on Submit. In the payment gateway, pay using your preferred mode of payment from choices such as debit card, net banking, UPI and other payment apps. You can also click on the Scan to Pay option to get the QR code for making the payment. Once the payment is completed, you will receive the payment receipt. You will also receive an SMS with your registered mobile number with the transaction details. You can also click directly on Pay Online from the TVS Credit homepage and follow the above steps. The third mode through which you can make the payment is through the TVS Credit WhatsApp account. First, you need to save our WhatsApp account number 6385172692 as a contact on your mobile phone. Next, open the TVS Credit WhatsApp chat window and say Hi. Type 2 in the chat window to get the existing loan details. Next, you need to complete the validation process by entering your loan agreement number or your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP shared to your registered mobile number and complete the validation process. Select the loan agreement number from the list of options shared. Next, type 4 for selecting the payment option. Then type 1 to opt for online payment. The chat bot will then share the payment link through which you can make the payment via debit card, net banking, UPI and other payment apps. Lastly, you can also pay directly through payment apps such as GPay, Airtel Thanks and Paytm. Here are the steps to pay your EMI through the GPay app. First, open the GPay app and tap on Bills. Under Payment Categories, select Loan EMI Payments. Search and select TVS Credit from the list of financiers. Next, link your loan account using your loan agreement number. Once your account is linked, you can make the payment directly via the GPay app. You can also pay directly through the Paytm app. Let's see how that works. On the Paytm homepage, go to the Recharge and Bill Payments section. Select Pay Loan under the Financial Services section. Search and select TVS Credit Services Limited from the list of financial institutions. Next, enter your loan agreement number and your registered mobile number. Tap on Proceed and make the payment. Lastly, you can also pay through the Airtel Thanks app. Let me show you how that's done. On the home screen, tap on the Pay button. Under Recharge and Pay Bills, click More to select the Loan EMI option. Select TVS Credit from the list of financiers. Enter your loan agreement number and click on Proceed. You will then be able to see your loan payment details. Click on Pay Bill to proceed with the payment. So, you see how easy that is to pay your TVS Credit EMIs or charges online. However, if you have opted for an auto debit mode of payment, do ensure to maintain a sufficient balance in your bank account before your due date. For any queries, you can also write to us at helpdesk@tvscredit.com.